I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. Let me be all I can be. My all, all. I pour out my heart. Oh, I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, walk that fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. I'll be free, let me be all I can be. Never ever walk that road again where self-destruction rules me. you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, yeah, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better.
Hey my minkies, we're gonna try this delicious smothered cabbage, baby. Look at that. Let me give y'all a bite. Look. Let's try it. Let me tell y'all. Oh, we gotta try these pigtails. And let me tell y'all something. You don't have to put pigtails in your cabbage. You can put sausage, you can put bacon, whatever you want. In the South, here in Louisiana, baby, some of us can't go without the pigtails and the cabbage, baby. Look at that. Now, I wouldn't suggest y'all eat that too much, baby, because that's pork. Let's taste it. All the juices, like, it's really good. Very well seasoned, not too spicy, but it's not about the pigtails. It's about the flavor that comes from the pigtails that gives that cabbage that good flavor. That's the reason why we put pigtails in there, guys. If you were wondering, but you don't have to put it in there. You don't. This is so good. And then with the yams and the neck bones and all that, rice and gravy, baby, I got a good plate. I got a good plate. y'all excuse my look, cause you know when I'm in the kitchen, I'm just worried about cooking. I'm not worried about looks, and y'all my YouTube family, so who worried over here about my looks? Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed that meal, and I saved y'all all a plate. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more recipes, guys, and I hope y'all enjoyed this smothered cabbage. Share for the world to see. Love, love, love you guys. We'll have more recipes to come. I'm trying to catch up, y'all. Give me a chance.